All right, messy side bun, take one of like 1,000. I am for sure gonna screw this up because I'm trying to record it. Take a hair tie. Scoop it all over to the side. Doesn't matter what side. I'm side agnostic. And grab, twist like that. And then you just mess it up a little bit. Now, I will tell you, I could not do this until my hair got to a certain length. Now, just don't torture yourself. There's another way to do it. So what you can do is you do this and you loop it through like that. And then you just start grabbing random pieces and curving them and then pinning them with bobby pins. Another pro tip, when you're doing it, make sure you pull the hair like awkwardly forward. Like you think that your arm on this side's about to fall off, because that's what makes it a side bun instead of like a off-centered bun. Yay.